On behalf of the Dominican Sisters, I want to welcome all of you to this joyous observance of 135 years, celebrating the intertwined history of the San Joaquin Valley and the Dominican Sisters of San Rafael. We have a very special choir that is going to begin. They have another commitment shortly, and so we want them to sing their version of the Hail Holy Queen, the Prima Voce Choir from St. Mary's.
Thank you so much. We're so happy to be here. When we have finished the first time, we'd like to invite any of you sisters, I hope all of you who'd like to come up and join us, and we're going to sing it again. We'll have a great choir.